China maramdi mayam na thengnari ba crisis inani maru ina khoi gi Manipur se engo khoi thengnari ba khoi liminary ba sugumba khoi fruit machine marakta khoi high under narco terrorist na high gidan tagi illegal immigrants high gra tawi ba thengnari ba sai thing mayam sing sai tare sugumba sai thing sing even na liminary fruit mayam sida sugumba tho thoi gi hai tar ga di ai motadi ko liminary ba fruit sing kan gi hai tar maru ina Manipur se kan gi hai tar ga di khoi yamna darkar ore hai tare hojik khoi regional parties yam tuna form to bam taka le regional parties ta sina har weda khoi state ki party odini Manipur lai praja myam ki party odini duna yam athu matam da khoi Manipur da regional parties na thoglaga khoi Manipur je kan bada chobu thawang lawgani thajabagi ai regional parties ta support to sabni
kari agenda da mai onsin begini if luckily
ta sengna agenda je yam lai gre je khoi Manipur jo maruna face story incidents ko issues myam lai gre du maruina hai kai gumba lucky na kai gumba mai pak laga di ta sengna hai issues kuni mang se ta aina si ore na ta aina issues mai pai ka da na tai tare khoi Manipur da lai ba khoi intellectuals myam even stakeholders adu gi khoi party myam gi adu gi hai ba khoi praja myam tanara kai to ba ya ge Manipur gi damakta fa da makta nam pun khana minara ga lakhot na phagani na khanse crisis what we are facing right now and how our people are struggling and this issue has been going on for like it's almost 1 year now. So if we want to change Manipur, if we want to bring peace or if we want to bring harmony, we need to bring regional party over here because this is very important, I believe. So instead of going for the national party, the community living over here in Manipur, all the people, I request that it's the right time for us to choose regional party to bring change in Manipur.
And what will be your first step regarding developing?
Just see, I'm nobody to decide. If my people vote, luckily, if my people vote me, if I win the election, I will not decide myself. I will sit with my stakeholders, all the communities and the intellectual people we have over here, and with the parties, and we'll decide what to do, what not to over here.